Okay, it's going to be, excuse me, this is JB for today's futures day trading video review for Friday, October 27th, 2017 for Drummond Energy Bands. Today before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 64 and a quarter here in December E-mini S&P for the line in the sand. If we felt that if we could get above it, we could get up into that 73, 75 area. We're actually in that and then some. Now, in the room today, we said 63 was our lean that we called in the room. Depending upon how you manage that, you could have done very, very well. And also, on the pullback here, you can see that when we're pulling back into this area, this is what we call the refresh area. By the way, there's going to be a video, slight video, from the room where I made that call, and then I also made this call here that the market could continue to bounce and go higher from here, from this 69 area. This is one of those situations where the daily energy is continuing to push, and here on the trade chart with these red zeros, we're going to see a wall put in, we're going to see these dots hold, and boom, off it goes. So watch for the next video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed our webinar yesterday with Ninja Trader. If you haven't, I'm sure they'll have a replay at some point. But I hope you have a great weekend, and thank you very much for your interest. But I want to talk right off the bat here about the daily chart. Yesterday we were talking about how it was pushing down, with 373%, and the weekly energy was pushing up. So that's kind of why we went sideways. But you can see that when we closed yesterday here on the daily chart, we opened up. Well, it's live, right? So we were trading with a live, and even when we closed, we had a very small red number, around 100%. So that was saying that the energy pushing down here in the daily was losing its push down. Okay, the bottom number here relates to the refresh area. Okay, because we haven't returned to the refresh. So this is an EP diamond, not an EP vortex. So here we are, we're down into this 64, 65 area. You can see we're not holding a wall down here. We are not. So we would not want to be doing anything yet. So this 4 and a quarter here in the refresh is pretty significant. So there's an vortex anyway. We got 120. I think if you're going to do anything, you're going to be possibly faced with a buy down and through here. Let's just see here. So you can see we're getting close here. Okay, so we got a wall down here. We got an opportunity. So if you went in here at, say, 4 and a quarter, and what we need to do is you need to get back on up at least to 6.5. This needs to shoot up here with the refresh. If we keep popping with R2s that are higher without a wall, that's bullish. Okay, so as long as we just follow the numbers here, 386% is a lot of energy to the upside. I mean, we could, if this thing really gets going, we could take out maybe 68. We may even get to 69. Who knows? Anyway, that's the trade. That's all we've got.